The Wilson Elementary chess team placed fourth at the state tournament and will now go on to compete at the national level in Tennessee. The team is comprised of kindergarten to third graders and is led by chess coach Jessica Cortina.
We started a chess camp 2 years ago that was hosted here at our campus, and little by little they've been learning and becoming better players by the practices that we have after school. And again, they do practice at home. They have the support of the parents, which helps a lot in them becoming a better player and better individuals, smarter individuals.
A total of 6 students will go on to compete in nationals. All the students agreed that it took a lot of practice to accomplish this.
I practiced for a long time. A long time. I practice at home, I practice here, I practice a lot.
We wish the students the best of luck at their competition. Reporting for Inside HCISD, I'm Alex Arriba.